Doomstead. Gates open, they're up and racing. Jesse Guse didn't waste time at the start. Takes the early lead on top of horse Doomstead. Right behind in second is Sharp Cookie. Moving up by the release entry number 1 Carefree Treasure on the outside. Moving up is Don Martino as they race towards the last 900. Doomstead in command by Inek, moving up on the outside to take the lead. Don Martino, then Flying Hope now racing in third, running by the Railport, Carefree Treasure, Sharp Cookie, and Federer is in behind them by about 5 lengths to work out as they race towards the last 450. Don Martino in command by about a length and a half. Doomstead is running by the rail. Carefree Treasure sneaking in down on the inside. Federer moving up on the outside in between runners. Flying Hope as they turn for home. Don Martino just in front. Doomstead fighting back once again on the outside. Carefree Treasure. And down the stretch they come. Don Martino, Doomstead is on the outside. With 100 to go, Don Martino, Doomstead is on the outside. Don Martino, Doomstead, and finally Don Martino, Doomstead. Then comes number 1, Carefree Treasure, Flying Hope, Federer, and Sharp Cookie.
Okay, 5216 ang ating unofficial order of arrival crossing the wire.